I'm Joe McClung with FloodGate Medical. It has been said that your network is your net worth. Whether you're in your career for a few weeks or many years, there are tons of people you're connected with or you've impacted. Now it's time to think about how those people can help you. People innately want to help others, so you're in luck. So how do you begin? Your reaction will be to think of somebody and then call them right away. That is wrong. Finding a job is like sales, and I'm sure you've been told and coached teams to create target lists first, so you can track the results of the conversation and, if need be, circle back. Trust me, you won't remember. We've included a target list template as a downloadable to help. Now, how do you create your network list? And how do you find and remember all the people that can help? Here's the good news. You know a lot more people than you think you do. The first step is the most obvious. Scroll through all the contacts on your phone. Now go to your LinkedIn, now Facebook, now Instagram connections. With those captured, the next step is remember those that are not connected to you. And do what I like to call the palace of the mind, which is segmenting your memory into sections to allow you to focus on a specific time and place. Start by thinking about the people in your company you work with. Now, think about the people who have left your company over the years. What about all those connections you made at that convention you went to in Orlando every year? Take a look at the attendee list online. It'll jog your memory. Then think about the areas, call points, physicians in New York City. You get the idea. And we've created a checklist you can download here. Write the names down, sleep on it, and do it again. Do it at least 3 times. You will be amazed how many people you know. With your network list captured, you'll be ready for the next step, activating your network to improve